Hey guys, we are here once again with another video. Today, we are doing online Rubik's Cube Racing episode 2. So, pause the video, grab your Rubik's Cube, and we're gonna do the scramble now. Alright, so, do the scramble with white on top and green facing you. And the scramble will be F, D2, B2, U prime, F, L2, F prime, U, B2, F, R2, D2, F prime, U, L, F prime, B, U, D prime, R. Okay, and here we go. I'm ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. You can comment below your times in the description below. I always like to know your times, guys. It's fun to know if you beat me, if, anything. So, here I am solving the Rubik's Cube. I got F2L. Now I'm working on PLL. There we go. I mean, it's not like amazing, but that's an okay solve. 29.98. My personal record is 18.92. I haven't really done a warm-up this morning, but that's gonna be the solve. So you can always watch the video over and over again and try to beat my solve. Okay, guys? Try to beat 29. You can probably beat that. I mean, if you're an advanced cuber. Make sure to drop a like down below. We are going for 30 likes. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See ya!